hockey jerseys that I have a lot of them still that we made into a fun quilt. There's some fun memories of teams that I played on, fun jerseys I just liked, even though there's a Rangers jersey in here. I like the
Ooh,
logo.
look at that. It looks sharp.
There's a...
Is it soft on the back?
oh yeah, it's just like the one downstairs. Look at that.
Look
That's
at
so
all those,
cool.
Look at that. Look at all those 14s.
Yeah.
Your name's on it.
It's the Bangkok Frongs. Oh, did they put the logo on the front for that one? That's going to be a bummer if it didn't.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Sweet. I thought of everything.
Yeah, the old Caps.
How fun. Hold it
Logo.
up so I can see the whole thing like from the top.
You gotta
Wow.
send a picture on that to everybody.
I sure will. That is an awesome quilt. Are you happy?
Yeah, that's awesome. It's big too.
Look at all those 14s. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.